Roll down your window.
UP train spotting. 8356, 7154, 4911, 5207.
That's Daddy.
Yep, that's my dad.
Roll the window. Roll your window up. Cause she's so black. What if she saw something really? You know? And she growled. Wow, they move.
Moving freaking quick.
Yeah? You wanna go a little further? Is your window up or down?
Oh, it's down.
Okay, roll it up. Oh, Jamie's filming, huh?
Yep.
Right on, Jamie. Can you film through the windshield?
Oh yeah.
Okay, I'll roll your window up. Just for safety, because it could be some weirdo out there. She knows it's Dad. It's Daddy. It's Daddy.
Yep, she's wearing her tail.
Oh, there's another car now.
No, baby.
Yeah, she knows it's Dad. Look at that.
Whoa, there's Ferromex.
Ooh, who's that? Who's Ferromex?
It's a Mexican railway.
Oh.
It's the first largest in Mexico.
Mimi, come on.
Mimi.
Come on. Oops, sorry, come on. They're Daddy. See?
Well,
Daddy.
that's my first time seeing Ferromex.
Wow, that's cool.
Wow.
You're filming it, huh?
Yep.
Right on, Jay.
It's Mexico's first largest railway.
It is. Oh,
It's one of the Class 1 railroads.
Denis, you see Daddy?
Ooh, Ferromex
He
bus
was
car.
just waving. That is a huge train and heavy. That train ain't no joke.
It ain't no joke at all.
Wow, look at those tanks. Ooh, creepy.
Ooh, Ferromex gondolas.
Ooh, wow.
That is rare.
Wow. Oh, they are the train car, Denis. They the beautiful train. She wanted to see the train. She's watching these.
Bless you, yeah. Bless you.
Mimi's looking at all the train cars, E. She wants to see them. Daddy's train. That's Daddy. Oh no, I know. Norton Young Love Reserve. That's what this area is called, even.
Okay.
Norton Young Love Reserve. Okay, Daddy gone. He'll be back. I know. Daddy gonna be back. UP building America.
There's some new coil cars.
Yeah,
They are
gorgeous.
new.
They
Beautiful,
are new.
too.
Ooh, pretty. Man, Jamie's gonna be happy if you could see it too. Jamie got to film his dad's train. You gonna put it on YouTube?
Yep.
Jamie is gonna put it on YouTube.
Man, I miss the old level crossing bells. Now they set up the new ones.
Yeah. Wow, this train is long. Okay, bye, Dad.
7176.
Yep, Dad's had that engine
AC44.
before. Dad has that engine before. Okay. Go to Mama. Go back to Mama. Mama, come on. You got it.
Ah, what a perfect, fascinating day.
Wow,
Cast trains.
What a ride. Wow. That was worth driving up here for. You want to go a little further and see?
Oh, yeah.